precious people, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jen Gerard and I'm the president and CEO of Gerard Cosmetics, and this channel is monetized for charity, which means by watching the videos, watching the ads, sharing the videos, leaving a little like or a little comment, you are supporting two phenomenal charities in my area. The first is the Domestic Violence Program at the Child and Family Center, and the other is Rescues on the Runway, which is an awesome dog rescue. So if this is your first time here, don't forget to give the video a like and also subscribe to this channel and ring the bell down below so that you will know anytime that I upload a new video. So as I am filming this, I just got home from church and it is somebody's birthday today. So I am 6 years old. I am 6 years old. Yes, little Mr. Wonderful is 6. Huh? If you guys have seen my video of our little love story, I will link it here. I have had him since he was 1 hour old. Yes. Yes, I have. And he's truly the best. So, I got a delivery yesterday of my BoxyCharm Premium. This is only the second premium, yes, it's your birthday, second premium box that I have gotten from them. Let's give him a fur baby dessert. These are not the PR ones that they sent him because he ate all of his PR and we had to use his taco money to buy him some more, didn't we? Yeah, same. Grand, doggies need taco money too. Yes, they do. He loves them. So, back to what I was saying. This is my second premium box from BoxyCharm, and this one is all Fenty Beauty, which, like, on one hand, I'm excited about because, like, oh, Fenty is a big name, but on the other hand, I have some Fenty products that I really love and some that are like, oh, all right. But hopefully these will all be things that I love. So the insert card says that I have the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter. That must be this. And it is in the shade Trophy Wife. I do own this shade. I don't normally wear it as a highlight. I have worn it as an inner corner quite a bit. It's a very beautiful gold. You know, it's just kind of something from a couple years ago, so it's not really something I'm super excited about today, you know. So it's all right, but it is a nice product. It's a very nice product. I think it's just something I was excited about before, and now I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm onto Extreme Frost and other things. So this here is a product that I absolutely love. It is the Gloss Balm Universal Lip Luminizer. Sorry, I didn't say that the highlighter is $36. The Gloss Balm is $19. And this is a really good product. I do like it. I'm pretty sure that Fenty is cruelty-free as well. I will update that here on the screen if I find out differently, but as far as I know, they are cruelty-free. So this is a very, very nice gloss. I actually was using this a bit before I fell in love with Iridescent Throne the last few weeks, so I do have one right here that, and you know if it's close to me, that means I like it. Okay, this one is Invisimatte Blotting Paper. Okay, that's $16, is that right? Okay, you say so. All right, so it looks like an old style kind of fax machine where it's got a little roll. If you were around in the 90s and had an old style fax machine, you know what I'm talking about. So it looks like you pull it out and use it to blot. I am nuts, as you guys probably know, for my Blotterazzi. So I would probably opt to use this. I think this is one of the best beauty products ever made. And yes, I'm not so excited. Yes, hi. Hi. Yes, it's your birthday. Say happy birthday. It's happy birthday to me, Yogi. Happy birthday to me. Come on over here, you little booger. Come on over here because I love you so much. Okay, this one is, hi, yes, I know. This one is the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Hi. Hi. And the shade name is Shawty. Is that like Shorty? Because if so, I identify with that. Can you hear what is going on over here? Oh, that's a pretty package. Very nice. Oh, it's got the FB in the Yogi. Oh, that's a nice That's a very pretty color too, and quite creamy, I have to say. So this color might be a little deep for me, but this is a nice formula. I would definitely use that again. Now we gotta talk. It's your birthday. I've been singing you happy birthday all day. I left you alone for 2 hours so I could go to church, and I'm sorry that I did that, but you know, pastor doesn't like it when you go. No. Hi. Okay, I know it's your birthday. Okay, this one, did I say how much the lipstick was? The lipstick is $18. This one is Match Stix Shimmer Skin Stick. You have to stop. You have to stop. And it is $25. Ow! Ow! Now, baby, you're hurting me. You're hurting me, buddy. You want another treat? Is that what you want? You trying to get a fur baby dessert out of me? Okay. But if the doctor puts you on a diet, you're not going to like me very much. The life of a gran. This is what we have to go through. Okay, so back to where'd my shimmer stick go? Oh, here it is. This is it. This is in the shade Chili Mango. Okay, I'm assuming that would be a cheek color. It says highlight, blush, and enhance. I would not wear this as a highlight, and it's a little bright for a blush for me, but I'm sure I can find somebody who uses it. I do like their contour sticks. I have used those in the past. They kind of break me out along my cheek, but I still like them. And then last is the Moroccan Spice Palette. And this is $29. Okay, I seem to remember buying a Fenty palette, the first one that they made. I don't think it's this one. I think it was a different one, and it was, I want to say, closer to $50, and it was not good, girl. I'm not gonna lie. But this is cute. It's cute. Is it super exciting for me? You guys know these probably aren't my colors, but that looks nice. What? Hi. So again, I'm sure we will be doing something fun with this, maybe putting it in a giveaway or something else. Who knows? Baby boy, you really have to stop. You have to stop being such a bratty pants. Yes, you do. Okay, so how much is the value of this? So 36 plus 25. Do the math with me here. Dude, that's $61 plus 29 is 90. Plus 19 is 109. Wait, is that right? Yeah. Plus 18 is 127. Plus 60 would be 143. So $143 value. I mean, I don't think that's bad. Honestly, I think the premium box is $35, and I love the gloss. So that's 18 by itself. And I actually like the lipstick, even though the color isn't that great. The formula seems interesting too. Dude, please stop, baby. I love you so much. I do. I know. Would I probably buy the lipstick without it being in the box? Probably not. But I'll find a use for it. And I like Trophy Wife too. So it's just, it takes a long time to use this big of a highlighter, only using it for inner corner because you're only using a little dot at a time. But I know tons of people who love that highlighter, tons of makeup artists and stuff. And so won't be a problem finding that a home. So for doing an all one brand box, here you go, baby. For doing an all one brand box, I actually think this is pretty good. You know, is it, oh my God, I'm so excited? No, but I think it's pretty good. I am excited about some of the products, and there are a couple of them in here that I actually do really like. So I'm excited about that. I mean, when you get subscription boxes, especially when it's all, you know, when it's all one brand, I think that's a tough thing. But I like that BoxyCharm is trying different things, and I'm excited about that. And who knows, I might even use the eyeshadow palette. You just never know. If it was bright colors, I'd be all over it. You guys know that. So I think this is a pretty good buy for $35. Even if you only like two or three of the products a whole lot, I still think it would probably be worth getting. So with that, Yogi and I are going to live stream. Yes, we're going to live stream for your birthday. And I'm in there. I'm making him a a sweet potato because that's his favorite. Because that's his favorite treat. Dude, you're like undressing me. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? I got to get back to the birthday celebration. But I love you guys so much. And if you made it this far in the video, why not share the video? After all, sharing is caring. And don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to this channel down below and ring the bell so that you will know anytime that this guy and I upload a new video. Again, wherever you are and whatever you're doing, I hope you're just having a totally awesome day. And I'll be talking to you very, very soon. Bye.